How to install the Discover Bank app on Android. Want to manage the Discover account on Android? Here's how to install the Discover Bank app. Quick, safe and seamless. Tap the Play Store icon on your Android home screen. Tap on search. Now in the search bar, type Discover Bank and hit search. Now you can see Discover Bank right here. Tap on it. And here simply tap on install. Wait for a few minutes. Now when the installation finishes, the button changes to open. As you can see, open right here. Tap it to launch the Discover Bank app like this. Now enter your credentials and tap sign up to create a new account. And that's it. Discover Mobile is now installed and ready on your Android device. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe for more tips and hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.